Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be making some slime. So, yeah,
that started fast.
If you didn't watch my video yesterday unboxing my surprise and little jelly crush outfit thing, then make sure to watch that after this. Okay, so I might add all this.
And by the way, this is kind of how to make slime, I guess, don't you think?
Yeah.
You should probably say like what you're using.
Okay, so I'm just using some Elmer's glue right now.
But you could probably use any like what?
Yeah. No, because at my friend's house, I used this glue and it said craft glue, and it just made it a sticky mess. So don't use that.
But you could probably use.
I didn't use all the glue. This is how much I used. I'm not planning on making a super big slime. So now I'm just gonna add some Tide. And if you, oh sure, I've got to color it first. But this color that I made is actually red food coloring and white acrylic paint.
Yeah, let's just show them the label. She made this very specific.
Do not touch for slime color, because or else my sister would get at it.
Apparently I'm a little baby and I can't talk anymore. I can't even say specific. Okay.
Get out. Sorry I have a fork and not a spoon. I just decided to use something plastic.
You could have used like one of our good spoons, not a plastic thing.
Okay, I think that's enough color. Alyssa showed them.
Sorry.
I actually already have a pink slime, but it's kind of hardish. So
if you want to see a little slime thing, we could show you that in another video or something.
Okay, so I think it's about time to add the Tide. So most people use borax, but I actually...
Or contact solution is a really popular thing. You can also use cornstarch and water.
Tide, I like it, but make sure to get the clear Tide. I mean, you could use the blue Tide, but sometimes it turns it blue is what I find.
Yeah, but if you color it, it doesn't really matter.
Well, I used to color it, and it did matter.
Whatever.
Okay, so first I'm going to add a little bit. And then I'm just going to mix because I don't want to overactivate it. Then I don't want to activate that. Then eat breakfast.
What's for breakfast?
I don't know. Okay, so basically, I'm just adding the Tide step by step, little by little. Oh no, why would I do that? Okay, so I'm just gonna dump all this in and hope for the best.
It might turn out like mine. I made slime last night and it was like the stickiest mess ever, and then like we literally spent the whole day today, or not the whole day, it's only like, I don't know what time it is,
but we literally
it's not even past lunchtime.
Yeah, we spent like 10 minutes of our time watching a guide video.
Yeah, we were watching like so many YouTube videos on how to fix sticky slime, and finally,
for your slime,
I just made something
because
up
the slime master, which is me, by the way.
I think not.
Okay, so if you have seen my background and thinking, why is this so messy? You see, I'm a hoarder. Okay, guys, so yeah, I'm a hoarder, but anyways, I went freehand with the Tide because our...
Freehand
with the Tide, and make sure not to do that because I think I overactivated it, but it's not all mixed in. So I'm just going to add all the glue to save it, because if you add more glue, then it soaks up more Tide. And yeah, so I'll just add that for now. But
we might have to make a part 2.
It kind of quit on us. We don't know why.
Yeah, you ran out of storage. We do know why, Nicole. Ow!
ASMR.
No,
I
it's
think
not.
that's what it means.
No, because there wasn't any. The only noises that there was me hurting myself.
Okay, all this glue is gonna have to go today, I think. But right now, I'm just gonna start mixing with my hand. Okay.
Slime is really not my thing. Like, I don't know. It's just not. Oh wow! I think it might actually work out if you just keep kneading it.
Okay.
Maybe take it upstairs, like at the end of the video, and just like put it on that plate I had for my slime and knead it and knead
Yes,
it.
it's
And
working.
add more water and blah blah blah.
Okay. I think we're getting somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I do need more activator. Don't know that. Yeah, it's getting sticky.
I think baking soda actually melts slime.
Yeah, so maybe don't try that. Watching you.
Lots of people say, like, if you were wondering how to, like, fix sticky slime, they always say baking soda, but it doesn't work all the time. It depends on what you use.
Maybe search it up if you're gonna do that with sticky slime, and then. Oh, jeez, I don't want a free hand. Oh my god, my tide is gonna be covered in slime. The teensiest bit, because I only need a little more. Little at a time. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere, Slimers.
What? You sound like someone that calls their fans something. Like Chibi chocolate chips. Oh my god, that was delicious.
Chibi chocolate.
Oh, you don't want to know.
I don't want to know. Okay, I think I'm actually getting some slime here, people.
Okay, so maybe she should just work with it a bit and then we can come back in another clip.
Yeah.
So, yeah, bye.
Okay, so I'm just getting the slime off the fork. And look at my slime. I think it's getting there. Look, it's almost done. Okay, so it's a little bit on the sticky side. But, yeah. I'm just gonna keep getting it off the side of the bowl and stuff. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more Tide because it does seem a little sticky and I don't know what. Like I made it.
Water helps too.
I made it at my friend's house, like with this exact
You
same
didn't make
Tide.
this.
No. I made slime at my friend's house and it was way different. Like
If you want to see what she made, I can show you.
yeah, we can show you after, but right now I think this slime, oh my god. It's slime.
Perfect.
It's slime. And if you wanted to know that noise, it's from the upper world.
Don't you mean our house?
Okay, my glue fell.
Who cares? It's empty anyway.
No, it's not. It still has a little more. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna...
Maybe we could join our little leftover glues and make a mini slime. And then just split it.
Get up or off. Get up. Okay, yeah, I think I've got slime.
What are you? Okay, let's just clean up this area now. So bye.
Okay, so my desk is a mess right now. But yeah, this is the slime. I've got slime on my hands. Great. So I can make a bubble. Maybe I'll just...
You didn't even get dressed for your video.
Yeah, I'm wearing Christmas pajamas.
Oh, by the way,
I made this. I'm probably gonna do a craft tutorial how to make these. So yeah. You will see that soon. Oh, it's so stretchy. I can't even do the swirl thing really, kinda. Well, really kinda. Probably say below in the comments if you are excited for Christmas or not. I think this is gonna be my last video because I'm going on vacation.
and she's not gonna say where we are going for our own safety.
Someone might know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you never know who there is in the world, and so.
Okay, so
Oh my God, your lighting is so weird.
Okay, so I think that's all for today, guys. And it's kind of a jiggly slime. I really like this. It's really cool.
ASMR.
God. Okay, you're probably getting annoyed me playing with it. That's
Yeah.
what I hate about slime videos.
Well then,
When I watch them, I hate them playing with it because it makes me
Okay.
mad
so
that I don't have my own.
let's just finish this up here, please.
Okay, so I'm just gonna do a swirl.
Okay, come on now.
Okay.
That's your
I
last
hope
go
you
round.
all enjoyed, and remember to like and subscribe. Watch that video from yesterday as well, and yeah, remember to like that video. Comment down below if you're excited for Christmas or not. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.